So every time I notice some customers comes into the store asking for if we have any line describing tools.
Yep.
This is the one Kobe always recommending.
This one here, he loves it to me one, doesn't he?
Yes, but I have very different
point of view.
Yeah.
A very different opinion.
Yes. So these two would be my recommendation.
So this is a Gundam branded one.
Yes.
Is it?
Yes. But as you can see, this one is like 0.3 millimeters. I would say it's more suitable to describing the line on the master grades, which is 100 scale.
Yep.
And if you're building the 144, like the HG high grade, you might need to use this one.
Okay, what's the difference here? They got different size?
It's like the shape of the...
Oh, the shape of the scribe itself.
Yeah, so it has both for the curve or the straight lines.
Okay.
Yeah, or in one.
Are you good at scribing the panel lines?
So you will need to use masking tape to like define how the line goes, and you will just slightly following the line and describing like a few little times until it looks obvious.
Yeah.
And then you can.
I feel a tutorial coming on.
Yes, I will do.
Hey.
Yes.
I feel a Gundam line scribing tutorial coming on.
Yes.
And maybe you could even do a tool comparison.
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes.
What do you think? That is fantastic. So line scribing for your Gundams.
Yes. And this one, as Kobe says, he loves use this for aircraft.
He uses it for everything.
Yeah. Yes.
I think he gets all the paint from under his nails with that one too, right?
Yeah. And yeah, this one is also, it's not just for line describing. You can even cut the boards. Yeah. With this knife tool. Yeah, it has 3 extra replaceable blades inside.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
And they're probably available as a separate pack as well, I imagine.
Yes, yes.
That is awesome. I love that. Well, thank you for showing these scribing tools, Kawa. Yeah. And I look forward to a tutorial coming up soon.
Yeah. Of
you scribing out the lines on a Gundam.
I will show how to.
What do you think? Fantastic. All right, so we've got a few comments coming in. So Thunder Turbine's on. It's good. I need his help in a minute. Yeah, public holiday tomorrow. That is right. Public holiday tomorrow. So we're doing another Thursday show. So it's been 2 Thursday shows in a row. Yeah. Next week, I promise, we will go back to the normal Friday. But it's like a Friday. It's a Friday by default. Yes. Isn't it? Unless you have to work Saturday. Then, of course, not so much. Yeah. All right. So